Not other great new arrival.
Well said.
Yeah. Shut up. 1993 Nissan 300ZX. I can't even talk today.
That's all right.
I think I got a little frog in my
You got
throat.
Coke?
I got Coke and all that good stuff.
All right.
1993 Nissan 300ZX twin turbo. I had a thing for these cars back in the day. This one is super wide over black, 76,000 actual miles, but this one's got a worked 500 horsepower, 3-liter twin-turbo V8 with some Stillen suspension upgrades and the 5-speed manual transmission. This car is a beast.
It's another kind of, they were fast stock, but this is a sleeper because it's got so much more horsepower.
Man, it's crazy. And it's got a new timing belt, so...